right, so we've had a really interesting start to the week, and it's only Tuesday. Argentina's weather forecasts to updates on Brazil's harvest pace and China stepping into the U.S. bean market. So it's been pretty busy week for not even through 2 trading days. So first up, let's talk with Argentina. Finally getting some rain relief this week. Showers are expected Thursday through the weekend. While still unsure just how widespread these rains are going to hit. Because you saw the drought from 60% of the area, maybe these rains pushing it back down to 40. So we'll see how that, goes for their their stress crops down there. Meanwhile, Brazil has just been a different story this whole season, right? Frequent rains are causing minor harvest delays, especially in the central and northern regions. AgRural reported that Brazil's bean harvest is at the slowest pace in 7 years. And you have CONAB coming in with a warning about supply crunch. Brazil could see grain piling up. More aggressive selling pattern might emerge there. So keep an eye on those basis levels. Soybeans are climbing, hitting a 3-month high. China made a surprise U.S. bean purchase yesterday and this morning. Maybe they're possibly hedging against those Brazilian harvest delays. And Argentina is continuing to struggle. The U.S. export window might stay open longer than expected. The COT report that was based off of the fund's positions as of the close on January 7th, showed money managers reducing bearish positions in beans, short covering. This is what we saw. And then this didn't even take in the big OI changes that Friday's report brought. So we kind of thinking that beans have flipped along here, and then corn, money managers piled in the corn position could be likely topping over 300,000 contracts. This is big because we wouldn't say now that we're in a bearish, like the supply and demand sheets kind of say, this is a big fun position for the stocks to use ratio. The USDA's bullish outlook last week still has the market buzzing, and we're approaching key resistant levels in March corn around 487. So Argentina's upcoming rains could be the speed bump. So if you're long, you might want to consider tightening up those stops as we near these levels. Wheat, finally. It's been a quieter story, but March Chicago wheat closed at a 7-session high yesterday. Though it hasn't broken out of its downtrend just yet, Russia exports are slowing, and Australia's port strike could cause disruptions. If prices push past 555, we might see some, short covering there. But wheat holding steady, and the sideways trend being the corn's just kind of dragging their buddy wheat along. So, watch those weather developments in Argentina and Brazil. They're going to set the tone probably for the rest of the week. Corn and beans are riding strong momentum, but don't overlook wheat's quiet potential to surprise. It's always that hold my beer wheat. Thanks for tuning in for this morning's recap. Let's have a good one.